Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create and access Linux VM using password in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on virtual machines. Now click on create and then click on virtual machine. Here in resource group, click on drop down menu and choose your resource group. In virtual machine name, type any meaningful name. In region, you can choose any region. I am going with default region. And in image, click on drop down menu. For example, I am choosing Red Hat Enterprise Linux VM. In authentication type, click on password and set username and password for your virtual machine. Then scroll down to the bottom and click next. In disk, we do not need to add any additional disk. Click next. In networking, default networking is good for our testing purpose. Click next. Here in management, we do not need to add any management. Click next. In advanced, we do not need to add any data. Click next. Here in tags, in name type name and in value type any meaningful name. Then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Copy this public IP address. Now open putty in host name. Paste your IP address and click on open. Click yes to this security alert. Here in login, type username and hit enter, and password, give password. Here you can see now we have connected with our Red Hat machine. As you can see, our machine name is showing here. Hope you like this video. See you next video.